In this quick video guide, I want to show you a really nice website which is called Videvo. And here we can find a lot of videos, sound effects, motion graphics, music, totally free. So it's a website, it's a platform actually, where we can look for specific videos. We can use it for our projects. And you can also create an account if you want, but even if you don't create an account, you will be able to download some free videos and other stuff here. As you can see, we also have footage, motion graphics, and in videos, and we also have music and sound effects. So for example, let's go into some motion graphics here, and let's call this X, and let's make a search. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of free motion graphics that you can download, and also you will find something somewhere not for free. And also, for example, let's look for green screen, which can be useful, for example, to create something and to do a video montage. And there you go. So if you see this like Thunderbolt here, you probably have to create an account and, well, pay for this stuff. But as you can see, you have really a lot of categories right here on the top. Lots of assets that you can use, totally free. And also, let's check out some music. So if I go to music, and let's do a search. Okay, sometimes it goes to Shutterstock. So I think these two websites are kind of connected, or there is some sort of advertisement. But if you close that, you will find here music export, and you can play this and hear it. Okay, and if you like it, again, you can download it. Just click download, by the way, and click on free download, and there you go. So just save this in your downloads folder or anywhere you like. And same thing goes for the videos. So let's say I like this video here. I go to free download. There you go. Downloading. And again, if you want to create an account, you can do it. Just read all the information that you need, and this is it. It's a pretty easy to use website. So if you like this video, please comment in our video, down the video, or you can also leave some comments in the channel. Please subscribe. And also here you have a lot of videos about similar software websites and a lot of other video guides here. And in the playlist you have lots of video courses. So for example, if you want to do video editing, you should check the Premiere Pro video course. And also we have video courses on 3D modeling, 3D rendering, virtual reality, and so on. And please, if you can, support us with the community or the store. And that's it. See you in the next video.